Hey there, fellow travelers. We are Aris, Carla, Renzo, and Isla, a family based in the UK. Today, we embark on an unforgettable day in Amsterdam, immersing in interactive science, enjoying nature's beauty at one of its wonderful parks, and strolling along the picturesque canals of Amsterdam. It's a perfect blend of exploration, relaxation, and indulgence. So, let's get started! We went first to go to see Nemo Museum. That was in our list of must see in Amsterdam, especially with our kids. Must say that was quite good. Museum for kids, very interactive, lots to do. Kids enjoyed that, so we did that.
Turn it on.
Oh, Renzo's making electricity!
You're making electricity.
Isla's turn.
Pull!
You want to take off your
Pull.
jacket?
Pull yourself.
Hot
You're
now?
doing it. You're doing it. What does that
there's
do?
more
Turn,
there.
turn,
There's more
turn.
there. A wheel. There's a wheel there. Come.
What is it?
That's Renzo.
Try the blue one. Different words.
I'm Amsterdam. So we just go to the museum over there, and my best part was having a sew.
Look. Oh. Look. Look at the glove.
And now we're just walking to the breakfast. We're having breakfast now, so we're lunch now. So we're just walking to the breakfast place. Hello, we're in Amsterdam. So now we're just about to have breakfast, but
Lunch.
but Mummy's just over there. So we still don't have the breakfast. So we're just talking about. So
Where did you come from?
So we come from the museum, and there's a bridge connecting to the museum, and if you go on the bridge, you might say you want to take a photo, because the bridge is actually very nice. So we always, so our apartment somewhere in a different street, but over here in the lunch place to have some lunch.
Let's see if it's good, and then we can do a review after.
It's good. I'll do another review.
Yes. Talk to you in a while.
I'll see you in a while.
Renzo, we have one entire quesadilla, and we have a club, and we have a wrap,
Renzo's cutting it.
and we have some cheese, and it's now being cut into odd pieces.
Can I help?
Okay, mommy will have to help.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm going to do this first. Get the end. Oh, there we go. Try it. Is it good?
Do you like it? Very good.
What do you say? What is it?
What does it taste
What
like?
does it taste like?
Well, we're now eating, and we're in Amsterdam, and the food tastes very yummy.
It's called quesadilla.
It's called quesadilla, and it's very yummy.
Okay, it's a little hot.
Oh, Daddy, that's a lot. Did you blow it? And what is Isla eating? Isla, what are you eating?
Cat.
Ketchup.
Just lick it.
You bite it. Don't lick it. Bite the chip. Bite it, Isla.
So, they're in a place called Aubergine, and it's a vegan restaurant. So, what Renzo's eating
Mommy,
is vegan.
Mommy, she's just licking. She licked it and then got some
Oh
more.
no.
Alright.
Isla, can you bite?
Okay,
Can't lick.
Daddy will try
Bite.
it.
I'm eating it.
Take Nars.
What is it?
Aubergine wrap.
Wow, and this one is avocado.
Mommy, I really need a
Toast.
plate.
Oh, yes. Of course. Can we give Renzo a plate, please? That can be your plate.
I was listening to Santos Park and we're gonna look at the wide and we're gonna have fun. But first, we're just gonna enter.
That's a good idea. Let's go.
Come on.
We're in
That's the park.
Amsterdam Park. Come. Come, Lala.
Whoa.
And then look, Renzo's riding there. Riding there. Want to ride the car with Renzo? There, huh? Renzo's riding. Come, let's watch Renzo.
Whoa.
Hey. Hey.
We're going this way.
Giddy up, giddy up. After the park, we took the 52 metro from Europop line to Rokin to explore the Jordan area. The Jordan area of Amsterdam is a charming neighborhood that offers a unique and picturesque experience. Known for its narrow streets, quaint houses, and cozy cafes, Jordan exudes a district old world charm combined with a vibrant and artistic atmosphere. Amsterdam is known for its culinary delights, and one treat that we cannot miss is the famous Van Stapel cookie. It's time to satisfy our sweet tooth. Sit inside. The aroma of freshly baked cookies is irresistible. Van Stapel is renowned for its rich, gooey chocolate cookies with a delightful surprise in the center. When we got there, the line was quite long, as expected, but we decided to queue anyway. Surprisingly, the line did move quite fast. That is probably because Van Stapel only sells one chocolate cookie and nothing else. So, the question is really, just how many are you ordering? First of all, we're gonna have to inspect the cookie because
It's a special.
it was a special cookie. Everybody was lining up for it.
Oh no!
visit to Amsterdam is complete without a leisurely stroll along its iconic canals. Let's soak in the charming atmosphere and admire the city's unique architecture. The canals are lined with picturesque houses adorned with colorful facades and elegant gables. It's like walking through a storybook. We'll wander along the canals, cross charming bridges, and capture the mesmerizing reflections of the buildings on the water. It's a photographer's paradise. We'll take our time, enjoy the ambiance, and witness the vibrant energy of Amsterdam's canal culture. It's a perfect opportunity to slow down and appreciate the city's beauty. As we conclude our journey through Amsterdam's vibrant neighborhoods and captivating attractions, we hope this adventure has inspired you to explore the city with your family. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and create lasting memories in the enchanting city. Until next time, happy travels!